This is Kelsey, and this is my sister Lindsay. We're going to be doing the banana Sprite challenge. Well, what you do is you eat 2 bananas, and then you drink as much Sprite as you can until you puke. So, starting, let's see, our bananas.
Really, really fast. Bet it can eat you.
I eat my bananas for you. Hey!
All these kinds of places make it seem like it's been ages. Tomorrow, sun we're building a scrape the sky. I love this country dearly. I can feel the ladder clearly, but I never thought I'd be alone to try. Once I was outside Penn Station selling red and white carnations.
Nice,
Before we met, we saved our money, brought my dear wife over. Now I work to bring my family.
Ba ba ba.
They stayed a while and scattered across the coast. Once a year I'll see them for a week or so at most.
You really are. No.
What? Banana stick. Dumb, but you broke it. You ripped it up.
Market cuts are lost. I remind myself that times could be much worse. My wife won't ask me questions. There's not so much to ask, and she'll never flaunt around an empty purse. Once my mother came just to stay a couple nights and decided she would stay the rest of her life.
If I knew how to fast forward, I would, I swear.
There's a book in the kitchen, and I sit and pray they never feel my strife. Then my partner called to say the pension funds were gone. We made some bad investments, now the accounts are overdrawn. I took a walk. Honey, it's your son.
Okay, we're good.
Just you. We had taxes, we had bills, we had a lifestyle of fun. And tonight I swear I'll come home and we'll make love like we're young.
I'm thirsty.
Tomorrow you'll cook dinner for the neighbors.
You wanna go first? Here.
Now you can go first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
It's your.
And all that damn
Rock, paper,
taxes.
scissors.
It's your YouTube
You're
channel.
on my YouTube channel.
I'm down on both bad news. I'm just too much a coward to admit when I'm in need. I took a walk.
Alright. Okay.
Come on! I got a headache now. God, please, God, don't throw up on me.
It went up my nose. We're not done yet.
Don't spit back! Don't spit back!
Go, go, go. Come on, Lindsay. You're gonna be faster than that. Oh my god, I can feel it! God. I'm so sorry I'm making you go through this.
I don't think I'm gonna puke anymore.
You puked?
No.
Oh, really? I don't think anything's gonna happen.
Really? Nothing's gonna happen. I feel sick now.
You would. Well, I'm drinking about about half the bottle, so is something supposed to happen? Because I know you're supposed to puke, but I don't think anything's gonna come out.
Nothing's coming out. Oh.
I really
Oh.
burps.
I can feel it coming up, and then it goes back down. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I guess this is what you do when you feel you're about to puke. You just burp a lot. I'm not gonna puke, I swear.
My stomach hurts.
I've seen people puke with just one letter. I like.
Oh. Nah.
I did eat 2 bananas, right? Yeah, nothing's gonna happen.
We should have some Mentos now. See what happens.
So, do I just sit here? I don't think I'm gonna puke. I mean, I feel full. That's for sure, but I'm not gonna puke. Congratulations, YouTube. You're gonna watch a lot of girls puke. I mean, not puke, vomit.
Burp.
No. I just ate. This is gonna be really hard to drink this entire thing. It's fine. It's a 2-liter bottle. Well, I happen not to have a small stomach, so just gonna like shake it up.
See who I live with.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Well, maybe we're gonna watch me fart.
I got fart. I'm about to fart.
Yeah, so is something supposed to happen?
Comment below if we did something wrong.
I mean, I got most drink this entire thing.
I help. What's your problem?
Help not. And
Not
smash
in
the
the
banana pill. You retard!
You retard!
You retard now.
Should we end it?
No.
Okay.
I want to see about puke.
Go fart though.
I'm going to the other room.
I farted already. I can't. I'm not gonna throw up.
You watch me eat those 2 bananas, and you watch me drink what she drinks. When am I gonna puke? Not so bad.
Comment below, as I said before, if you did something wrong.
I can feel my stomach building up.
Okay,
I'm gonna pause it until I feel something. So. I'm just gonna like shake a lot to see if it'll help the
I'll help shake.
process. I'm sorry to make this such a long video. I apologize for that, but my sister has gone downstairs and I really don't feel anything going on. I don't know what's wrong, so I'll just come back in like 5 minutes, or if I start puking. So. I've hula hooped, I've shaked, I've sat down, I've been upside down. I feel a little something, but I really don't know. You know what I did wrong and what my sister did wrong. I mean, I've drank almost an entire 2-liter bottle. I've seen people throw up with 1 liter. I seriously don't know what's wrong. I'm gonna pause it and then see if something will come back later. Well, it's been like 10 minutes since I stopped in the beginning, so I don't think anything's gonna happen. So, in the comments below, please mention to us what we did wrong, because I am not feeling ill in any way, and I would really appreciate it if I knew what I did wrong.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
you.